Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A60 and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control to take a picture at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we go to the more advanced settings of this camera to the left corner. And as you can see, here we are in the camera settings, and to get access to audio control we have to slide down to the useful features. And here we have the shooting method, so by tapping on this we get access to the voice control here, and by using this button we can easily turn on and turn off taking pictures by saying the keywords, which are smile, cheese, capture or shoot. And we can also record videos here by saying record video. So I'm going to keep it turned on to show you how it works. And now I go back to the original camera, and I'm going to take a picture by saying just one word. So let's try. Smile. Once again. Smile. Smile. And as you can see, we should be very loud to do it, but it works. So the picture was taken by saying the smile. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.